you face a lot of hair fall, a lot of dandruff, and your hairs are falling like crazy? All the solutions you will get in Glitter C. Stay tuned with Glitter C to get all solutions. Like, subscribe and support. So I have used this hair oil to get such a beautiful, strengthy, healthy hair. To make this oil, all you need a handful of curry leaves, handful of neem leaves, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, some amount of black pepper. So all you have to do is roast them till you get a nice fragrance out of it. So it will hardly take only 5 to 6 minutes for you to roast it or like make it little warmer. And once you will get all a good smell out of it, you have to take it out from the oven. Make a fine powder of it. If you can't make it a fine powder, then some granules is also okay. Now heat your pan with some virgin coconut oil. I have used this Cocosol virgin coconut oil. If you have sesame oil, then you can use it as well, because both are very good for your hairs. So I have taken 4 tablespoons of oil. Now this is again up to you how much quantity you want. So within this I will add this mixture which I have just prepared, and will wait for 3 to 4 minutes for these bubbles to come up. So once the bubbles will come up, you will see some greenish to brownish kind of color, and that is okay. You don't have to boil it too much. It only 3 to 4 minutes. Then after that I have filtered it out, and I'll put it into a bottle which is very handy to me. In this I had a mouthwash before, so I cleared it using soap, soaked it under sun, and then I have put this oil inside to make it a handy solution for me. Now I would require this bottle of oil for 2 months or 1 month. Now while applying, first you have to comb your hair very well. So comb your hair, because combing your hair increases the blood circulations, and once your scalp is activated, like blood circulation is very active, you can add this oil on your scalp only. Partition your hair, as I have shown you in some other packs, that always you need to put it in partition wise and put it and then massage it as long as you can able to do it. So remember that twice a week you have to add this oil. This is very good. Now everyone knows that fenugreek seeds are very good for your scalp. So keep it for 2 hours, and after that wash your hair with mild shampoo. So this is the after effect. You can see how much voluminous my hair has. So just make out this oil at your home, and with the simple ingredients easily available everywhere. These ingredients you can easily make this oil, which other companies like other brands are also using these ingredients, but they are adding some preservatives to it, so that's why their price is too much. Only 1 week and I have seen the visible effects of it. And in this monsoon I don't want to use a lot of hair packs, because that makes me feel ill. Because of keeping it on my head, it gives me some sense of cough and fever kind of sensation. So I always avoid using pack, and instead when I get this oil, it becomes a miracle to me. So take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones. Until I come up with some new videos, stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share as much as possible. So bye.